Learn death growl. Yeah, I want to learn how to growl like... well, that's not it. Wait, like, you know the growl in your... you know, like when you sing, but you can have like a growl in your voice, like a vocal fry. Yeah, like sticking out your gap. Well, I don't know how to describe it. Sticking out your gap for a Rizzler. You know, like that, but a little bit more subtle. Well, we'll get there. Just I'll practice more. I'll keep practicing. I'm not constipated. That's not what it's meant to sound